Jason, I think the security community has been sold a pretty tall tale when it comes to automation. There are some kinds of automation that work, but there was this story that was told like you get automated and then you don't have to have nearly as much staff. And it sounds like everyone's going to be in security who's just going to be lying on the beach and all these computers are going to be doing everything for them. And that is far, far from the story. In fact, in many cases, we've heard automation makes things more complicated because you need someone who has the expertise to deal with the automation. You have a different story to tell with how Automox is handling automation when it comes to vulnerability management. You've kind of found the sweet spot for it. Explain.
Automation doesn't solve the things that require human decision making. And so making those sort of human intuitive experience and deep knowledge decisions, wasn't part of our product design. What we went after was, having the human on the front end of the process to decide, hey, is this something I got to patch today? Is this something I need, maybe this week, or is it just on my normal monthly rhythm? And so that part, we leave to the humans where it belongs. But the part of, what machine needs what patches are missing, did the patch install, does it require a little bit of configuration to go along with that patch? That's all well within the realm of the computer's ability to do. And so we that is what we've built into our product of getting those patches on the machine, showing you the state of your network.
Give me some anecdotal story here. I'm interested to know that before and after situation, a customer used your product, and afterwards, what was their sort of reaction to how the automation sort of made their life simpler?
What it's enabled them to do is no longer do they have a single person or a small team whose job it is to ensure that everything gets patched, right? Because you're not just talking about the operating system patches, you're talking about third-party patches. Some of them you want, some of you don't.
I know people have the title, vulnerability management. It's all they deal with.
What we've seen out of our customers is that, they have, been able to reduce their costs, nearly fivefold. That is people and resources that can be reinvested elsewhere in the business on the things that are just not as automation friendly.
There's so much of vulnerability management that can be automated that do not need manual work.
What doesn't automate well? It's understanding, is this log4j and I'm seeing mass exploitation of it in the wild, or is this something where, hey, there's a proof of concept on GitHub, so activity might start soon, but I've probably got till the weekend? Or is this something where, hey, this is just utterly routine, it's Patch Tuesday, I need to get it done this month, but I don't need to disrupt the business in order to do it?
That's a human decision, and it sounds like your tools also letting people make human decisions within the automation.
It does. It allows them to make those decisions. They can build their own workflows, and they can, again, the human is guiding what they want to have done, but we've automated all of the sort of sticky bits, that the monotonous stuff, so that they can get back to work and back on with their day and deal with all the other modern complexity that they need to, and not need to worry about something as simple and straightforward, but still very essential as patching.
Our audience, if you'd like to learn more about what Automox is doing, go check them out at Automox. You see the address is right there below me, automox.com.